Hey friends, if you wish to install apps on your laptop and PC on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, the easiest method is to search for Store in the Windows search bar and then go to the Microsoft Store and search for the app that you wish to install. Now, go to that app and click on the install button here to install it. We'll try it for some other application. Okay, let's try it for this application. Simply click on get or install whatever button you have, and then it will install. Now the next method is to directly download and install the application from the website. For example, Chrome is not on the Microsoft Store. So search for Chrome download in your browser. Go to its official website. Click on download Chrome and click on open corresponding to it the exe file, the installer file, and it will launch the installer. In the case of Chrome, we don't need to hit anything else, but in some installers you will have to go to the wizard. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.